Today, merchants across the globe continue to face slow settlement, high fees, and operational friction when moving money across borders. Stablecoin Checkout is OwlPay's merchant acquiring solution built to ease that tension. With Stablecoin Checkout, merchants can accept USDC payments through a standardized checkout flow. This flow is available through our web UI or by integrating our Stablecoin Checkout API. Either way, OwlPay handles everything needed to turn on-chain payments into fast, real-world payouts. The flow is simple, just 2 steps, and transaction status can be monitored every step of the way. First, create a payment intent with the required transaction details. Once created, a payment link is generated. The customer clicks the link to complete the payment. The link opens a clean, intuitive UI. The customer connects their wallet and signs the transaction. Once the payment is confirmed on-chain, OwlPay automatically handles stablecoin to fiat conversion. Funds are settled to the merchant's account within 24 hours. This gives merchants the speed of stablecoins without volatility and without operational complexity. Stablecoins function purely as a payment rail, not a treasury asset.